Okay, we're back. It is officially 2012. I don't know how to do it. Fuck it. Okay, so right now we're gonna
do some soda shotgun.
We're each gonna shotgun a throwback and a Pepsi One. I hate these things. They're fucking disgusting. And over here we got well, it's the same thing over here. Kinky. So we're gonna be using. Don't you fucking dare, you nasty bastard. We're gonna be using this little tool device thing here. Open that out. Get the spike. Light bulb. You're shining it right in your grandma's window. Give me it.
I got this.
You can tell it's pitch dark. Light bulb. We're going to be using that. It's a little spike. Perfectly spiked to puncture the cans. And we'll be showing you how to do this. So I'll just let my partner here take the cam.
In case she does come out.
Take the cam. Take the cam. And
go right here so that when she does.
Okay, I need my spike. Okay. You take your spike and you go straight down from back here. So like it's on your mouth and you're gonna pull that open perfectly. So here we go. Prime example. Keep an eye on me here. Straight down. So right there. On some of them it'll be like over here, but straight down from right there. 3, 2, 7, 6, go.
Pop top hole. These things do hurt. Still fizzy? This will bring tears to your eyes. I ain't shitting. The only thing that I found that I could chug so far is a diet root beer that's been sitting out for like 2 days, unopened. So it was nice and warm, and the fizz was kind of there, kind of not. One down.
Your turn, you fat fuck. Oh fuck.
Crazy dogs.
Son of a bitch. I'm okay. Trust me, if you gotta urinate first. Yeah.
Yeah, my 2 sodas. Spike. Extra soda. I'll show you guys the exact puncture wound. Now I'm trying to find the puncture wound to show them.
It's right here.
Perfect little puncture hole for the soda. It's a little breezy out here.
It kind of sucks because we put these things in boiling water to warm them up because they were ice cold, and it really stings when they're ice cold. It really stings when they're boiling hot too. So I'm gonna go get my jacket on. He's gonna talk to you for a second. Want your coat?
Yeah.
Which one?
LA. Okay, so just for the hell of it, you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my grandpa's new truck just for the hell of it. It's a Chevy Silverado. Z71 4x4. Feel like a cop. If you see this stuff right here, that's blood from when we went deer hunting. Not our antlers. Well, they are my grandpa's, but you know, they're not from this year's deer hunting. That ain't really working. I don't know if he has the alarm on or not, so we're just gonna have to kick it. It's actually a really nice truck, guys. Oh, have you seen that mirror right there, that little blue flash or green flash, whatever it is, it will tell you the degrees outside, and if it's ice cold out here and you have ice on the road when the tires roll over it, it'll flash ice. It's a really amazing truck, guys. And so it's kind of, yeah, it's real nice actually. That's our little Jeep. Yeah, my grandma's little Dragonfly. Oh, my partner's back, so now we're gonna go do some more chugging. Empty soda can, mini bike, and yeah. Okay, guys, that's his sweater. Tribals.
Tribals on the arms. We're gonna move. Is there anything on the back? I'm not sure.
Nope.
Big ol' single pocket.
Yup. Yay. See, there's the pocket. Just like that. Okay, you guys. It's pitch black.
Yes, it is.
Go over here.
Okay, his turn to.
My turn to do one. He did the Pepsi throwback first, so first I'm gonna do the one Pepsi.
Pepsi 1.
But now, first things first.
You lucky bastard.
Let's get some jacket.
He's got his sodas right there. He's got the puncture tool in his pocket.
This is kind of funny because since our sodas are sitting out here, they're gonna just get really cold again.
Yeah, wait until you try to have one of those warm goddamn sodas. It hurts. And when they're warm, it it makes it more fizzy and harder to chug because it like speeds up the content. It really sucks. You couldn't see me, could you?
No, because the light was flashing right in there. There you go.
Couldn't see me, could you?
Right.
Oh, I already did that. Tribals. Okay. So, he's going to be doing that. He's got the puncture tool in his pocket. Got the Pepsi throwback and the Pepsi 1. I, myself, like the Pepsi throwbacks. They just taste better. Wagon. Wagon. Radio Master, Roadmaster, since I don't know what that says.
Earlier we had garbage bags and cans that we were just throwing over our backs, trying to make it land in there. I don't really know if there's our line right
Yeah,
there.
we're trying to throw it from here all the way backwards to there.
And we barely
Didn't work too well.
Yeah, we didn't make it.
I almost made it once, but
Yeah, no cigar.
no cigar.
Close but no cigar.
Okay, here we go. Over by the trailer where I was. Or not, right there. Go, and 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Pop that top. Oh. Dismiss low battery. Got the nice puncture one in there. I don't know if you can see into his mouth, but there's some soda fuzz right there. He's chugging pretty good. Keep it going, keep it going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep it going, keep it going. Yeah.